JUKI connects with customers around the world to create smart factories. What is a smart factory? It's a factory that facilitates the flow of goods and improves production efficiency through 3 solutions: automation, digitalization, and networking. These solutions connect sewing lines, factories, and supply chains to optimize the flow of goods. This visualization of operator motivation, productivity, and factory management capabilities speeds up the resolution of issues and improves production efficiency. When these steps are achieved, JUKI's vision of the smart factory will be realized. Smart factories take many different forms, depending on the changing times and customer needs. The apparel industry is now moving rapidly toward digital transformation, and we believe that the connection between supply chains using next-generation technologies will become an important issue in the future as smart factories are formed. JUKI responds to such diversified needs with connected solutions. For example, a digital sewing machine can transfer sewing data to other machines simply by holding a tablet over it, thus connecting sewing lines with one set of sewing data. The introduction of automatic machines improves productivity in the pre-process, sewing process, and post-process, and optimizes the flow of goods throughout the factory. Furthermore, each of these departments can be connected by the system to provide real-time visualization of the entire factory's production progress and output. JUKI's one-stop solution provides integrated support through solutions that connect the entire factory, including the pre-process, sewing process, and post-process. To make this one-stop solution possible, we will promote brand expansion with our alliances and meet the diverse needs of our customers with a rich product lineup. JUKI will contribute to the realization of digital transformation in the apparel industry by connecting sewing factories and other supply chains with our solutions. Let's connect with JUKI.